In this story problem, one of the things I read is we have a perimeter of a rectangle. So as soon as I see perimeter of a rectangle, I want to jot down the basic formula for perimeter of a rectangle, which is perimeter equals 2 widths plus 2 lengths. I have 3 variables, perimeter, width, and length. So that means I need 3 equations. Some of those equations can be basic, and this particular one, perimeter is 68, is just P equals 68. Okay, then the third equation is going to come from this sentence. Length, so L, is equals 4, longer, so plus, and then width. So I have L equals 4 plus W. We're only doing so many examples, so I want to remind you that if this would have said, for example, 4 less than the width, that's the only one that the order it comes in the sentence has to be switched. So if this said 4 less than the width, instead of doing 4 minus W, you'd have to do W minus 4. So be on the lookout for less than. Okay, now I'm ready to make my substitutions. So I'm going to come in here and replace the P with 68 and the L with 4 plus W. When you make this substitution, turn the letter into a set of parentheses before you insert. So I've got the perimeter turned into 68, but this L became a set of parentheses, and then I put in the 4 plus W. To solve the equation, before I start moving letters to one side, numbers to the other, I want to simplify the side, and that's going to involve the distributive property and combining like terms. So I'm going to distribute the 2 through. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times W is 2W. So I'm bringing down the 68 that equals 2W. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times W is 2W. Now that I've distributed, on the same side of the equal sign, I have 2W and 2W. So those can combine to make 4Ws. Now that the side is simplified, I'm ready to move letters to one side, numbers to the other. So moving this 8 over, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. And 68 minus 8 is 60. Get rid of multiply by 4 by dividing by 4. And so 60 divided by 4 is 15. Okay, now that I have 15, rereading the question, I realize the question asked me for both the length and the width. So I can take this 15 and put it back up here. And so the length is going to be 4 plus 15, and 4 plus 15 is 19.